Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamt of combining rustic charm with cutting-edge design, then you are in for a treat today. We're diving deep into the world of barndominiums, but not just any barndominiums. We're talking about the most stunning modern barndominiums being built right now. I've handpicked 5 incredible homes that redefine what a barndo can be, showcasing the absolute best of contemporary design. From sleek minimalist masterpieces to luxurious farmhouse retreats, these homes prove that barndominiums are anything but basic. And guess what? We'll even talk prices, ranging from around $300,000 to a cool $700,000, proving there's a modern barndo out there for many budgets. So, are you ready to explore some seriously beautiful architecture? Let's jump right in and discover these modern marvels. First up, we're heading to the Lone Star State for our initial stop, a sleek black and white modern barndominium right there in Texas. This home is a true showstopper. Imagine a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom design that practically opens itself up to the outside world. The most striking feature? Definitely those floor-to-ceiling windows stretching across the entire front facade. They don't just let in light, they transform the home into a vibrant, airy space that connects seamlessly with its surroundings. Inside, the design philosophy is all about clean lines and striking contrasts. You'll find polished concrete floors that are not only stylish, but super durable, perfectly complemented by crisp white walls. Black metal accents are strategically placed throughout, adding that perfect touch of industrial chic and modern sophistication. The open kitchen is a dream for any entertainer or home chef, boasting elegant waterfall countertops and sleek European-style cabinets that feel both luxurious and incredibly functional. And when it's time to relax or entertain outdoors, large sliding glass doors effortlessly link the main living area to a spacious covered patio, extending your living space outdoors. This minimalist design, packed with so much style and smart features, came in at a build cost of $400,000. Isn't it just gorgeous? Next, let us take a picturesque journey to Tennessee for our second featured home, a truly stunning modern farmhouse barndominium. This isn't just a house, it's a statement piece that beautifully blends classic farmhouse warmth with sophisticated modern elements. From the moment you see it, the exterior captivates, with a harmonious combination of natural wood siding that brings an organic touch, paired perfectly with crisp white board and batten panels that evoke that timeless farmhouse feel. Step inside and prepare to be amazed. The interiors boast breathtaking vaulted ceilings, adorned with exposed wooden beams that add incredible character and a sense of grandeur. Modern lighting fixtures are thoughtfully placed, illuminating the space and enhancing its contemporary vibe. The heart of this home is undoubtedly its gourmet kitchen, a chef's paradise featuring a massive island that's perfect for meal prep, entertaining, or just gathering around. High-end appliances and custom cabinetry elevate the space, making it as functional as it is beautiful. With 4 spacious bedrooms and 3 elegant bathrooms, there's ample room for family and guests. And the master suite? It's a sanctuary. It includes a spa-like bathroom complete with a luxurious freestanding tub, inviting you to unwind and relax. This magnificent modern farmhouse, offering such a perfect blend of comfort and style, had a build cost of $550,000. What a dream. All right, time to shift gears and head out west to Colorado for our third incredible barndominium, showcasing a bold industrial modern style. This home truly stands out with its unique blend of rugged durability and urban sophistication. The exterior makes a strong statement with sleek metal siding in a sophisticated charcoal gray, exuding a contemporary edge. Large black-framed windows are strategically placed, not just for aesthetics, but to flood the interior with natural light, creating a dynamic contrast against the dark exterior. Step inside, and you're immediately immersed in an authentic industrial aesthetic. You'll find thoughtfully exposed ductwork and prominent steel beams that are celebrated as design features, adding character and an edgy vibe. Throughout the home, Edison bulb lighting casts a warm, inviting glow, perfectly complementing the industrial theme. And the kitchen? It's a masterpiece of form and function. Concrete countertops tie into the industrial design, offering a durable and stylish surface that's perfect for both cooking and gathering. This efficient layout features 3 comfortable bedrooms and 2.5 modern bathrooms, all thoughtfully designed within 2,800 square feet. Plus, for those who love their vehicles or need extra storage, there's an attached two-car garage complete with epoxy flooring and built-in storage solutions. This striking industrial modern design had a total construction cost of $475,000. Truly impressive, right? Prepare to be wowed, because for our fourth stop, we're taking you to North Carolina to explore a truly luxurious modern barndominium. This isn't just a home. It's an estate that redefines upscale living within the barndominium concept. Every detail here speaks of grandeur and thoughtful design. The exterior is a masterful blend of textures and materials, featuring a sleek standing seam metal roofing that not only looks incredible, but offers superior durability. Elegant stone accents add a touch of timeless sophistication, while massive windows are strategically placed throughout, ensuring an abundance of natural light floods every corner of the home, creating an open and airy ambience. Inside, the great room is nothing short of spectacular. You're greeted by breathtaking 20-foot ceilings that soar upwards, creating an impressive sense of space and drama. A magnificent, dramatic fireplace wall serves as the focal point, inviting warmth and comfort. The chef's kitchen is an absolute dream for any culinary enthusiast, boasting commercial-grade appliances that promise professional-level cooking. And for extra convenience and storage, there's a dedicated butler's pantry. With 5 spacious bedrooms and 4 luxurious bathrooms spanning an expansive 3,500 square feet, this home offers ample space for family, guests, and entertaining. But the luxury doesn't stop indoors. The outdoor living space is equally impressive, featuring a full outdoor kitchen, perfect for alfresco dining and entertaining, and another cozy fireplace, making it an ideal spot for year-round enjoyment. This premium build, reflecting such exquisite taste and superior craftsmanship, had a build cost of $700,000. Absolutely stunning, wouldn't you agree? Finally, for our 5th and final stop on this incredible tour, we're heading to the majestic landscapes of Montana to discover a contemporary Scandinavian-inspired barndominium. This home is a beautiful testament to simplicity, functionality, and a deep connection with nature. From the moment you see it, the exterior exudes a clean, modern aesthetic with light wood siding perfectly complemented by crisp white trim. This combination creates a serene and inviting look that blends seamlessly with its natural surroundings. Step inside, and you'll find an interior design philosophy that emphasizes natural materials, promotes neutral colors, and features minimalist furniture. Every element is carefully chosen to create a calm, uncluttered, and highly functional space. One of the most breathtaking features of this home is the strategic placement of large windows that perfectly frame the stunning mountain views from every single room. Imagine waking up to that. With 3 comfortable bedrooms and 2 elegant bathrooms, the home feels incredibly spacious and open, despite being a cozy 2,000 square feet. It's a brilliant example of how smart design can maximize perceived space. Plus, this barndominium is not just beautiful, it's smart. It incorporates energy-efficient features like solar panels and triple-pane windows, ensuring both comfort and a reduced environmental footprint. This thoughtfully designed, eco-conscious Scandinavian-inspired home had a build cost of $520,000. What a truly inspiring place to live. Wow, what an incredible journey we've had today, touring these 5 truly magnificent modern barndominiums. From the sleek black and white minimalist design in Texas to the luxurious North Carolina estate, and even the serene Scandinavian-inspired retreat in Montana, each one has proven that metal-building homes can be absolutely breathtaking. These homes shatter any old notions about barndominiums, showcasing how modern design can completely eliminate that traditional barn look, all while keeping the fantastic efficiency and affordability that barndominium construction is known for. Each home we explored offered a unique interpretation of modern style, whether it was minimalist, luxury farmhouse, or industrial chic. There truly is something for every taste. If you absolutely love these modern barndominium tours and feel as inspired as I do, please do me a huge favor. Smash that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out on more stunning home designs and tours. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments below. Which style was your absolute favorite? Did one of these homes steal your heart? Let me know. Also, Be sure to check out my playlist dedicated to barndominium content, where you'll find even more incredible designs and detailed cost breakdowns. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.